Hold on a second, Connor. We haven't made any money yet. First, we have to break even.
How do we know when we've done that?
Well, if you spent $10 buying the lemonade and we sell it for 50 cents a cup, we need to find out how many cups to reach $10. We do this by dividing 10 by 50 cents, and that gives us 20 cups.
20 cups? We'd better get started.
Yes, we should.
Thank you.
We are all out of lemonade. We sold 30 cups. How much money did we make?
We need to calculate our profit. We calculate profit by doing revenue minus expenses. Revenue means all the money that we collected in total. So, since we sold 30 cups of lemonade for 50 cents a cup, we made $15.
$15? Whoa!
But remember, Connor, we still need to consider our expenses. We spent $10 to buy the lemonade, and then our revenue was $15. So we have to do $15 minus $10, and we're left with $5.
That was easier than I thought. Where did you learn all this?
Brainspace, of course.